Hey everybody, today I've got a 2016 CX-5 all-wheel drive and I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper on it. So you're probably going like this and you can't get it disconnected. I'm going to show you how to do it. What you do is you got to come back here and you have to pop this off, and now the wiper arm will come all the way open. Once the wiper arm comes all the way open, then you can take and peel it off, take it off, and now you have your new wiper. Your new wiper has got a bar. The bar here engages into this bar here. So then you just go ahead and you just put it back in until it clips. You put that back, you grab your little cover, and your little cover pops back on, and you're done. That's how you put a rear wiper on a 2016 Mazda CX-5. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my short automotive videos.